Hello guys, my name is Slav and today we are going to have another underwater adventure. This is a unique thing. This is a very cool and very interesting underwater drone. And today I'm gonna use that thing with its claw to find out what is hidden under the water. I'm gonna use that things, and we are going down right now and see what's hidden under the water. Okay, let's start the engine. Nice. And let's see what we've got here. Okay, now. And that's how our claw works. And I can pick something and pull it up from the water. Now I'm trying to search, just looking everywhere. Oh, I think I saw something. Let's come closer. It looks like a Coca-Cola can. I'm gonna try and pick that thing up with the claw. Yes, we did it! Now let's bring that thing here. Okay, and here we go. Here comes our drone. Oops, let's go up. And oh my gosh, it's underwater barman. He just bring me a can of Coke. Oh, get out from here. Oh my gosh. That is kind of amazing. Oh, nice. So let's see what else is hidden under the water. Let's keep on searching. Oh, have you seen that? I think I saw something. It looks like a wallet. Nice, I catched it. Let's bring that thing here. Okay, we found the wallet. Let's see what's inside. It's just unbelievable. You can find so many things under the water with help of a drone. I hope there are money inside. Let's see. Oh, not so fast. Oh, leave it here and please go, my friend. Go, just. Something is wrong. Okay, just go somewhere, please. Okay, he finally left us, and let's see what's inside that wallet. Oh, so Carol. Oh, there is money. Oh, what? Money, but this money, kind of strange. What is that? It's. What are these numbers? Do you know? Is it numbers or what? Oh, 5,000. 5,000 of something. I think this is 1,000 of something, and this is 20,000 of thousand. 20,000 of something. Is it dollars? Okay, let's keep searching under the water. Maybe we can find something else. Nothing at this moment. Oh, I saw a silver color. What is that thing? It looks like some kind of electronics. It's a camera. Is it a GoPro? I'm not sure. Let's pick it and see. Catched. Let's bring that thing to me. Oh, I can see it already. So, bring this thing to me. Okay. Of course, it looks like it's broken, but anyway, it's a nice find, and I think. And just drone brought it for me from the underwater. Oh, you see? Now we are starting to understand each other. When I'm asking him to leave, he leaves. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's totally broken. GoPro Hero 3, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here is even a battery. Just try to imagine what happened here. Oh, what happened with the owner of that GoPro. I hope that thing was not on his head. I think that's a good day. We found a lot of stuff underwater, but I'm still curious to see what also is hidden under the water. Let's keep searching. What is that? I think I saw something. It looks like a stone, but oh, it's the sunglasses. Now I have to be very careful because it looks like plastic sunglasses and I think I can break it with the claw, so I have to be very careful. Oh, so nice! I picked it, so let's get back. Okay, and here we come with the sunglasses. Yeah. Up! Oops. Is it a problem? Oh! I have to be more careful not to break that sunglasses. You know, it's kind of difficult to control that drone. I think I already broke that sunglasses. Okay, come here, leave it here. Oh, thank you. And now go home. Go home, drone. Just go anywhere, please. Okay, nice. And here we have the new sunglasses. Oh, nice! From the underwater, just specially for me. How am I looking? Am I fashionable? I think, yeah. Whew, we spent a lot of time here. So a lot of mosquitoes, and it's coming to an evening or even to a night. So let's still try to find something else because I'm so curious. I'm a little bit cold, but I still want to find something. I'm trying to search, but I haven't seen anything interesting. Wait, what was that? Oh, it looks like a bracelet. Or maybe it's an Apple Watch. It's so difficult to catch. It's difficult to control on that depth. Oh, I caught it, but I see that it's an electronic watch, but I'm not sure if this is an Apple Watch. Let's bring that thing here and see. Oops, and now here we go. It's a little bit difficult to control this drone watching at the screen and on the drone at the same time, but anyway, I'm trying to do my best to bring that find to me. Anyway, now we are here, so just leave it, please. Okay, and go home. Go, 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 go. Thank you, drone. Let's see what you got. Is it an Apple Watch? No, it doesn't look like an Apple Watch. Anyway, it's a nice find. I don't know if it's working or not. but it seems to be broken. It seems that it's spent a lot of time underwater. And so I think here comes the sunset and evening is coming. So I think that's all for today. We've tested our drone, and if you like it, leave your likes, comment, subscribe, and see you soon. My name is Slav. Bye bye.